Hey guys, this is Dr. Watson coming to you on a windy day, and this is the Eko Electronic Stethoscope. Notice how it fits right in between the stethoscope where you have it. You actually just cut it and plug it right in. It can be turned on or off. It's charged with a micro USB adapter. It has a record button, a plus and a minus for volume. So if you want to use a regular stethoscope, you just put it right on like this. If you want to turn it on and amplify the sound, now it amplifies through your stethoscope. It also broadcasts to your iPhone, where you can record what you're actually hearing. And you can even project it onto your AirPods. So this way, if you're in protective PPE, you do not have to actually have anything that touches your face in terms of putting in the stethoscope. You can actually put it directly to the patient. This can be covered in a glove. You can keep it in your pocket, leaving the ear pods in, and you can actually not only listen, but you can record the sound and send it to anyone you need to send it to. So this way, a medical assistant can actually put this in the properly trained locations on the chest, listen to breathing, heart and lungs, and send this to the on-call doctor. Really effective. I think it's about $300 online, and I think it's a great tool for people doing telemedicine.
In a world where disclaimers are boring, one man...
Excuse me, Mr. Movie Trailer Voice Guy, please just read the copy in front of you.
Oh, sorry. This video is intended to give you informative, educational information. It is not intended for you to self-treat or diagnose yourself or your family. Because we want you to make good medical decisions when it comes to you and your family's health. Please first talk to your doctor before trying or attempting any of the information that you have seen or heard in this video. Thank you.